Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to fix the image upload issue in WordPress using FTP. If you're seeing broken thumbnails in your media library or getting a failed to write file to disk error, it's almost always a file permissions problem. These steps relate perfectly to each other to reset your server's rules and get your images showing again. First, you need to connect to your site using an FTP client like FileZilla and navigate into your WordPress content folder. Look for the Uploads directory. This is where all your images live. Right-click that folder and select File Permissions. The fix is a two-step process to get everything right. First, we're going to set a baseline. In the numeric value box, enter 644. Check the box that says recurse into subdirectories and select Apply to all files and directories. Hit OK. This sets the correct permission for your image files, though it might temporarily lock your folders, but don't worry, we're fixing that next. The second connected step is to unlock those folders. Right-click the Uploads directory again and go back into File Permissions. This time, enter 755 in the numeric value box. Make sure recurse into subdirectories is still checked, but here's the important part. Select Apply to directories only. This gives the server permission to execute or open the folders while keeping your image files at the secure 644 level we just set. That's it. Once you hit OK and the process finishes, refresh your WordPress media library and your images should be back to normal. If this quick fix saved your site's visuals, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to optimize these images for faster loading next, and I will see you in the next video.